Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to refer friends on the Binance app. How to refer friends on the Binance app or website. So I'm going to give you four major steps to take for you to be able to refer friends on Binance. So let's start. 1. Access your referral link or code. That's the first step. You need to access your referral link or code. Now, if you're using the Binance website, how do you access your referral link or code? You log into your Binance account using your credentials. Next, you click on your profile icon. At the top right corner, select referrer from the drop-down menu. It's as simple as that. That's how you can find your referral link or code using the website. Now, if you're using the app, you tap on your profile icon in the top left corner after opening up your Binance app and signing in your credentials. Next, you find and tap on referrer and you get your referral code. It's as simple as that. That is how to get the referral code. So that was the first step. Now, after getting the referral code or link, the next thing you're going to do is share your referral link or code. Now, how do you do this? Copy and paste. Copy a unique referral link or code and share it with your friends through various channels like social media, email, messaging apps, etc. Copy the referral code and paste it exactly where you need it to be. Next, some platforms may offer a QR code option. If this is the case, just share the QR code and your friends can scan it to you to automatically impute your referral information. Remember, you've gotten your referral link or code through the first step I told you, which was the first step I told you, using your app or your website. So you've gotten the referral link or code. If this is the link you're using, just simply copy and paste. But if this is the code, then simply show the code to your friends. They will scan it with their phone and automatically impute your referral information. Now, the first step again is to access your referral link or code. Second step is to share referral link or code. Now, the next step is to encourage your friends to sign up. How? Explain the benefits to them. Let them know about the benefits of using Binance. And some of these benefits are low trading fees, a wide range of cryptocurrency and advanced trading features. These are some of the benefits of using Binance, so let them know. Next, you have to highlight your referral reward. Explain how both you and your friends can benefit from the referral program, such as trading, fee, discounts, or bonuses. So after following these 3 steps, the next step you're going to follow is to track your referrals. Always track your referrals. How do you do this? Through the referral dashboard. Access the referral dashboard on the Binance website or app to track the number of successful referrals, their trading activity, and the commission you have earned from it. So it's as simple as that. That is how to refer friends on Binance. Now, let me give you some additional tips. Always share informative and engaging content related to cryptocurrency and Binance on your social media platforms. This will help you to attract potential referrals. So in other words, create engaging content on your social media platforms to attract potential referrals to you. Next, you can join the referral communities. By participating in online communities and forums related to cryptocurrency to connect with potential referrals. Next, you can offer incentives. Consider offering additional incentives to your friends for signing up through your referral link, such as a small gift or a discount on a future purchase. Remember, always refer your friends responsibly and comply with Binance terms and conditions for the referral program. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day.